Thank you so much. It is important to remind Wike that the FCT Minister for State is not his domestic staff. It's unfortunate. If the Minister for State is late in arriving for a meeting, Wike was not supposed to express public displeasure to the point that the media will take note of the fact that the Minister for FCT is not happy. It is very, very wrong. You see, if there is a meeting which the Minister for State will participate in, before the Minister for FCT will leave his office, he was supposed to confirm if the Minister for State is already within the premises or if she is ready for the meeting, than for you to go to the venue of the meeting, and if the Minister for State is not there, then you publicly let the people know that you are not happy. It's not what is expected of that office. Please, it is important the Minister for FCT, Wike, take necessary correction so that there will be a harmonious relationship. You will not sow seed of discord that will undermine the national interest. This is very, very important. Thank you and God bless you.